Welcome back to my channel. We're about to do a Paris room tour, keep the routine going. So it's gonna be a small room tour because it's a small space, but I still think it's very cute, very modern. So let's begin with our right. You can see what is for. Obviously this is cold for AC, this is for hot, for the heat. Does it even move? Oh, this is fan. And I think that's it. I don't know why it's not letting me click it, but yeah. And then you turn it on and off on here. And then here is our key, and it turns everything on and off in order for you to use it. Is to save the lights. Station right here. I've been using this station to do my makeup. For the most part, I have like my light up mirror and I'll sit here and just do my makeup and my hair. They have a little light here as well and a little seat down here. And then to your left is the closet. So this is the closet here. It's pretty small. We have like our jackets and sweaters for the most part, and then my bags down here. If you need an iron, you have to request it. They don't automatically have an iron and an ironing board here. So you have to call them up and let them know that that's what you want. And in this closet is, you know, typical save, iron, shelves for your sneakers if you choose to, the coffees and stuff like that. Oh, and how can I forget the mirror? The mirror's on this side. Long mirror, we need that. We all need a long mirror. All right, so let's move right along. This is the hallway here. And right here is our bathroom. So this is the bathroom right here. You know, they have the little hanging things for the towels, the toilet. The sink is really nice and sturdy. I think this is made out of marble. It's really nice and pretty. And it has a huge mirror. And then the rainfall shower. I really like it. It's nice. So over here is our living room space. They gave us some water, and they'll give us water every morning, or when the room service comes in to fill it up. We have these 2 cute couches, and then the light right here. And they also gave us some essentials, and they put in this cute little pouch. They have the shower gel, the conditioner, then the body lotion. I believe there's like a bar of soap in here also. Yeah, so the bar of soap is here, and the hair shampoo. They also have this same thing in the bathroom. So I'm assuming this is for us to take home. It's small and compact. Okay, so moving right along, this is my boyfriend's side of the bed. So they have this cute little light fixture here, and like how I was saying in my vlog, you have to have an adapter for the chargers, so for the plugs rather. They don't have an American outlet, so you have to buy an adapter for it. That's the only way that you can charge your phone here. So this is the bed. I believe this is a queen size. Yes, it's a queen size bed. It's been comfortable so far. And then on this side is where I've been sleeping. They have this light fixture. Last night I didn't want my boyfriend to wake up, so I had this on. And he has one on his side too. And then on here, I can control all the lights. So if I'm laying down and I don't want to get up, I can turn off all the lights right here in the corner. So that's good for my lazy self, because, you know, in New York, we should have something like this, because how many times have you laid down on your bed and then you gotta turn off the light? Like, what? We need this. We need this. All right, so this is our view. It's not really much of anything, to be honest. Okay, how do you open this? All right, this is our view. So down there is where people have been sitting and hanging out. I believe it's like a smoke station. I've seen people smoke there, people reading books, or, you know, just hanging out. So that's like a cutesy little area. Can we open this window? Oh yes, you can. So this is very nice. Oh, this is very nice. Wow, this is our first time opening the window. But yeah, this is the space right here. Have this, so you know, they have the light can still come out, but you don't so people don't see you. And then they have the drapes, so it can be dark. It gets really, really dark. Like when I was sleeping, I had to like crack it open a little bit because it was like a bit too dark for my liking. And this is the TV here. Pretty standard size TV. One thing that you need to know is that, well, at least so far, there's no English channels. It's only French. We were watching like Survivor, and it was in French. So that's just an FYI. So if you want to bring something like some type of computer or iPad where you can watch something in English, you can do that, or whatever language you speak. I don't know if they have other languages, so I'm not going to say that they don't. But so far, as we've been scanning through it, we haven't seen anything in English. It's mostly French. If you made it this far into this video, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my Paris vlog. It's very informative, and all the things that you can do in Paris. Okay, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Later, love.